Hi everyone, Tridib here from Tridib Tech TGT and welcome to another video, and today we'll be unboxing a product from the brand Realme. It is the Realme Selfie Tripod, but this is not just another tripod, this is actually a Bluetooth enabled device. Now here are some features. It has Bluetooth 5.1, separated Bluetooth remote, 10-meter effective range, etc. etc. We will look into that later. The price mentioned here is 2,999, but I bought it for 1,200 rupees only. I will link the product in the description box below. Now let's unbox it and see what comes inside. Here is the main product. Let's quickly peel off the plastic. We have some paperwork demonstrating how to use the product and the main tripod. This portion actually swings open just like this. This is made from very high grade plastic with some rubber cushions, and at the bottom part we have the Realme branding here. This bottom portion actually splits up in 3 portions, which helps the tripod to stand like this. Now let's look around, and this one is the Bluetooth remote that was mentioned in the box. Let's pull it out and see what is inside. I can see there is a pull tab. So this is the remote. Let's pop open the back, and inside we have a coin battery. Pull out the battery, remove the safety sticker and replace the battery again and put the cover back in place. Here we go. Now let's keep aside this one and have a look at the main unit. Now this portion actually expands like this. It is made of aluminum alloy which is molded in black, which gives this product quite a premium look. At the top, this portion can be rotated 360 degrees freely, and it is attached by a hinge at the back. This portion has 2 different locking positions and rotates 180 degrees just like that. So pretty much adjustable from different ends, and this can be folded back and forth just like this as well. I have to say the build quality is really very premium, guys. This part has a rubbery finish which provides a nice grip to this. The bottom portion also have rubber feet which will provide a nice little grip when it stands. Now let's try how the Bluetooth remote actually works. Here it is. I have my phone here. Let's go to the Bluetooth menu and it immediately detects the tripod here. Let's tap here and now it is connected. As simple as that. Now let's try the remote. First, place the phone in the bracket just like this. Then pick up the remote, open the camera app. Let's switch it to the front cam. Yes, now we are set. Then just click the camera sign button on the remote and we are done. Photo captured perfectly. Let's check it. Here it is. Let's try another one. Click the remote and here it is. Yes, it's really easy and works flawlessly every time, even with the iPhone as well. Now here is a look when we expand it and use it as a tripod, and the height can be adjusted just like this. This is really handy for all kinds of video shooting and for your YouTube channel as well. Now let's try the remote in this orientation as well. Yes, it works perfectly. And this is how it looks if you expand it completely. The maximum length is up to 60 centimeter, which is good for using it as a selfie stick and tripod as well. You can fold it pretty easily and carry it in your backpack. The folded length is 19.9 centimeter only. So guys, here is the Bluetooth selfie tripod from the Realme. I think this is a pretty cool device for the selfie lovers and for capturing YouTube videos or any kind of videos and for taking video calls as well. Well, I will link this product in the description box below so that you can buy it directly from there. And this is it. This is for today's video. I think you have liked it. So do share it with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to TGT, and I'll see you in my next one.